Okay, welcome to our first video on PapaScaw. Now, PapaScaw will be covering a lot of areas, including stocks, crypto, and Indian markets. Indian markets too are very healthy to watch and invest, of course, if you are an non-resident NRI Indian. Right now, what we're looking at is Ethereum, and Ethereum right now has actually broken the support, and that was back in July, somewhere in July. Now it's basically trending almost somewhere near a range, and right now it's in a range. This can be a buying position because over here we have the resistance, there's the support, and we're looking at a week's chart right now. We'll go for a day's chart as well and see how the movement will be. So this week's chart, it should break this point, uh, and if it converges over here, right, and if it breaks, then it's a good one. RSI2 is working on a range right now, and if you look at other possible point, we've actually picked up like 2 to 3 points, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Scaw. Scaw has been quite dynamic and erratic in the very recent months. It has shown quite a lot of movement and activity. If you look at the movement right now, again, this is also going in a range position. Okay, and the RSI2 is somewhere in the middle. It's still in a range. It can actually bounce back if it goes below the 50 mark. There is a possibility. So this is the place where you can actually put in, but very cautiously because right now what we're actually looking at is a range. That was Sol and that was Ethereum. And let's now look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin too, if you look at it, it's going in a range. There's no much activity right now happening at the Bitcoin level. Although it has been erratic, it has touched 72, nearly $72,000. Okay. And right now, this is the resistance. It's playing at the resistance, of course. This is the zone they are working at, and right now it's working in a range. So you have to tread a little bit with caution. It can go down, it can go up. What we'll do is just add another mark over here for this indicator and we'll see how the market is performing. Okay, and let me just add these indicators. These indicators actually help us to mark and chart the next movements. Okay, these movements are very important to understand how the markets will be functioning. So if we just have a look at it from a week's chart to a day's chart, okay, from a day's chart, have contracted a little bit. It gives a little bit clear view where it should be performing. Right now, it has got two drops and it is actually forming a butterfly kind of thing where it actually can fluctuate. But right now, if it's strongly supported over here, it will actually give a comeback from there. And this can be a good starting point. And if we have to market, okay, if you have to market, we'll market from here and here. Right now, it's just a very simple reading that I'm giving right now. Simple reading just because to give an understanding how the market can actually move and will market right now. It can actually take a move from here because it is reaching the support, okay, and meaning the support can can mark and herald a new movement in Bitcoin. We can see new movement happening, and it can take a big start from here. And using the Fibonacci rule can actually give us 1.6 movement. Okay, so I'll be back again, and this was our first video today for PapaScaw, just to make sure that we are in the game, and we'll be telling you more about how the chart will be working for various coins. We've actually started with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Sol. These are the main three Bitcoins to watch because the market moves with the Bitcoins in the market. Okay, so we'll be back for more. Do subscribe for more, and till then, have a great day ahead. Bye bye.